What's up, people? You are back to IT. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Post a comment in the box below. I will be posting on Saturdays 12 p.m., Sundays at 6 p.m. So that's what we're gonna do now. I've been kind of moving it around and see when I get the most traffic, and that seems to be the best time. Weekdays don't seem to be a good time, so we're gonna adjust just for you. All right, today I'm gonna talk about optimizing your Twitter account for business, especially IT professionals, how you want to optimize your Twitter account to really reach out and network and build a brand and, and get some business and get some connections and get some jobs. So the first one I want to talk about is post quality content. Now, what is quality content? Content that directly relates to your brand. Your brand is software. If you're a software engineer or a new software engineer trying to get out into the industry, you need to post content that shows that you are a software engineer. Talk about those things. Talk about projects that you've done. Stay on topic. I shouldn't see you posting about pizza. You would be surprised. I've seen it. Number 2, use hashtags wisely. I'm gonna stick with this pizza thing because I just feel like it, you know what I'm saying? If you are talking about programming in your post, you shouldn't be using pizza hashtags, okay? Because what that does is the person who's looking for pizza is gonna find you talking about programming and they have no interest in that, okay? That's how hashtags work. That's how hashtags work. So that's number 2. Number 3, you want to retweet quality content. I think you should actually reach out and find, well, not reach out. I think you should find people in your industry who are popular and retweet their quality content. Most of their content is quality, which is the reason why they're more popular. So retweet some of the bigger accounts, retweet their post, and that should help you to build your brand, all right? Number 4, use hashtags in your profile. Now, this is something, a personal preference. Some people do, some people don't. But I found that it is very effective for me because when someone puts in a hashtag, let's say I'm a software developer and someone puts hashtag software developer in the search box and they go up to the top and hit people, they're looking for software developers. And what it does is it searches your profile for that hashtag, and I would be in that list. The point of the game is just to make yourself more accessible for people to find you. Make it easier for people to find you because people don't like to look for nothing. You know how people are today. They don't really want to do no work for real. So number 5, reach out to other professionals or other people in your industry and ask them. Don't be afraid to reach out to people and ask them how they got into the industry, how long they've been in the industry. What do they suggest for a newbie? You'd be surprised how many people are eagerly waiting to help you. But we have this thing, I know a lot of guys, we got this pride and we don't like to ask another person for something. You gotta lose that. If you're trying to get somewhere in life, lose the pride. So get out there, connect. Don't worry about whether people respond to you or not. Some may not. But you gotta be willing to take a chance. It's not that serious, just take a chance. All right, so that's it for today. Till next time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, I'll be posted on Saturdays at 12 p.m. and Sundays at 6 p.m. All right, peace.